This video will explain common autopay problems in Google Pay and how to fix them. Autopay in Google Pay helps you to make automatic payments for bills, subscriptions, mobile recharge, and EMIs. But sometimes autopay may fail, delay, or not trigger at all. We will see the most common problems and easiest ways to fix them. First problem is insufficient balance. Google Pay cannot deduct money because your bank account does not have enough balance on the due date. The fix is add enough money to your linked bank account. Keep a small buffer amount before the auto pay date. Second problem is bank server down. Sometimes the bank system is offline, slow, or under maintenance. This can cause payment failure or delay. The fix is wait for some time and check again. Try paying manually if the payment is urgent. Third problem is autopay not active. Your autopay may be paused, expired, or cancelled without noticing. The fix is open Google Pay, go to autopay under your profile, check the status active, paused, or cancelled. If needed, reactivate the autopay. Fourth problem is incorrect account linked. You may have set up autopay using the account that is not your main bank account or account with no balance. Fix is go to Google Pay settings and check your default UPI bank account. Change it to correct bank account if needed. Fifth problem is mandate expired. A mandate is a permission you give to Google Pay to auto deduct money. Some mandates have a validity period and can expire. The fix is go to autopay section in Google Pay, check the expiry date of your autopay, then create new mandate if it shows expired. Sixth problem is merchant issues. The company you are paying, like electricity provider, broadband, OTT app, etc., may have a system issue or server problem. The fix is try manual payment, wait until merchant system is stable, contact the merchant if the issue continues. Seventh problem is UPI limit reached. UPI has a daily limit on how much you can transfer. If your autopay amount crosses the limit, then payment may fail. The fix is try the payment after 24 hours and keep the autopay amount within the bank's daily limit. Eighth problem is incorrect mobile number or account details. Wrong or outdated details may stop Google Pay from processing your autopay. The fix is check the bill details, mobile number, customer ID, or subscription ID. Update the information if needed. Ninth one is network problems. A weak internet connection can cause autopay setup or execution to fail. The fix is make sure your phone has a stable internet connection. Try again using Wi-Fi or strong mobile data. Tenth problem is pending approval. Some autopays need your approval, especially when you set them up the first time. The fix is check notifications in Google Pay, approve the mandate request to activate autopay. Most autopay issues happens due to bank system problems, low balance, expired mandates, merchant side issues, incorrect or outdated details. Understanding this helps you to fix the problem quickly.